Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a border around a table in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to put a border around table. Firstly, insert a table, go to a pages, then select the table tools and draw a table to these pages. Now we want to change the around of table border. Firstly, click inside the table and click and drag on our mouse to select the table border. Then enable the tables option and we can see here the cell stroke fill. Now I change the color. You can change the white and close the window and check the table border. We can see we change the table put around border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.